Welcome to this review of the 12-minute affiliate. In the next few minutes you will discover if the 12-minute affiliate is really legit though, and if you can use it to make real money. First, if you're tired of scams and want a real solution for making money online, subscribe my channel. I will share hacks and tips that will help you to be successful in the internet marketing world. So, what is 12-minute affiliate? It is a done-for-you system that is created by known internet marketer Devon Brown. He has been involved in the digital marketing industry for a few years now, and he has been behind numerous sales systems that have performed very well. The system claims it can be activated in just 12 minutes and you can earn commissions in the most profitable and the biggest niches. It will allow you to build email lists and follow up with your leads for months, and it will allow you to promote affiliate products with the click of a button. Ultimately, how this works is that you gain access to a system that is designed as a sales funnel. The funnel will allow you to make money promoting products by allowing you to build an email list and follow up with these people automatically. In the 12-minute affiliate platform you can expect to find done-for-you sales funnels, done-for-you emails, and EZ Funnel Wizard to allow you to customize your sales funnels, access to the Facebook group where you can interact with other members, done-for-you traffic. 12-minute affiliate also offers two different types of membership levels, depending on whether you'd like to focus on one niche site, or 3 niche sites. Each membership level offers different features and pricing. Of course, this isn't as set and forget as you might think, since you still need to be able to generate traffic and you still need to pay for the cost of the tools and services you use if you want to be a true affiliate marketer and self-sustain your business. So the amount of traffic you get will depend on your budget. After all, do you want to use some magic one-click software or actually learn how to make real money? There isn't a single person who will use the 12-minute affiliate system and make money in just 12 minutes. Because that is impossible. Think is just a little marketing gimmick to get you excited. So, are you thinking, is 12-minute affiliate a scam? After taking a closer look, you are getting access to something that can really help you to make money, but as I mentioned, it won't happen in 12 minutes. So, it's not a scam and does actually deliver good value. And it is promoted via ClickBank, which means your purchase is safe and secure. If you're able to follow the steps, implement the advice given to you and pay for the traffic, then yes, it is very possible to earn $460 plus a day with 12-minute affiliate. However, you need to realize that you may not get the results you're expecting straight away, because affiliate marketing is a very profitable business model that takes time to master. If that's something you believe you can do, then I encourage you to click the link in the description below to discover more about 12-minute affiliate. Thanks for watching.